How to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. In order to add multiple photos to your Instagram story, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up first Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, you can simply head into your story option and you can see the plus icon is on your story. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see you can head into photos option by simply tapping on photos. Once you tap on photos, you'll get the select option. You can see at the right hand side of the screen below the videos option. Tap on select and then select multiple pictures, any number of pictures that you would like to upload to your story. Tap on next, and now whether you want to upload it separately, the different pictures separately, or you want to upload it together on a layout, you can choose it, and then you can go ahead and upload it. So this is how you can easily upload multiple pictures on your Instagram story. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.